Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your sim racing league business. Imagine I run a sim racing league business and because of that I get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp about racing timing, availability, registration and whatnot. Replying each person individually would be a time consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will tell you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your sim racing league using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have created this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web. And over here, I will type a key message. For example, hey. As you can see, I got a response reply which welcomed me to Pabbly Sim Racing League. And with that, their Pabbly bot has given me 3 action buttons, out of which I can choose any of them. Also, with that, they have given me a picture which made this chatbot much more attractive. Let me select my action button. Let's say I want to see race schedule. I will click on that. As you can see, I got all the details of it. With that, they have given me an action button which says talk to admin. As soon as I have clicked to talk to admin, they have given me a message that their assistant will shortly contact me, and with that they have given me their email address and phone number. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second, and that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn that if you want to make this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and type pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you have searched this, you will be landed on pabbly.com page. Over here, you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free, but as I am existing user, I will click on sign in. You will be redirected to the dashboard. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place without opening WhatsApp separately. To add your WhatsApp number, you need to click on Add WhatsApp Number, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, business account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Okay, not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer without opening WhatsApp separately. Below that, there is a contact section where you can create new contacts and separate according to your requirement. After that, there is team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and also review their performances. After that, there is a template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chart. Below that, there is broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. Next, there is Flow, which is a powerful tool to create chatbot. After that, there is AI assistant, setting, and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. Okay, as we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, you need to click on flow option and you will be landed on flow builder page. Over here, to create a new flow, you need to click on top right corner on the add flow button. As soon as you clicked on that button, you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you can see a window is open named by flow start. Inside this, there are keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chart. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. After that, we have keywords. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Okay, as we got to know about each feature, let's get started building this flow. For that, you need to give a meaningful name to this flow. As we are making this chatbot for Racing League, I will name my chatbot accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your Sim Racing League. After giving a meaningful name, I will enter reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I will click on media button, message section, and drag and drop over here. After that, I will connect my flow start with my media, which means as soon as my customer enter a message, a media with a welcome message will be delivered to them. Over here, I will browse an image. As you can see, image is uploaded successfully. After that, I will enter a welcome message. For that, I will click on add content. After that, I will select text button and enter my message like this, in which I will welcome my customer. And with that, I will enter action button. For that, I will click on add button option and enter my text, register for race. After that, I will enter two more action button. Similarly, I will click add button option and enter my text, ranking and race schedule. After giving three action button, I want to send separate message for each action button. Let's start with register for race. To register my customer, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I will go to action section and drag and drop ask question over here. After that, I will connect my register race with my question. That means as soon as my customer click on this action button, a question will be asked to them. Over here, I will type a message. Let's get you on the grid. Please send the following to register. Number 1, full name. Over here, I have asked my customer about their name. I will enter contact custom field as name and format as any. Now you must be wondering how to add this contact custom field. For that, you need to just save your flow. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. After that, come to settings section. Over here, you can see a section is given named by contact custom field. After clicking on that, you will be landed on this page. Here, you can add as many contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have added multiple contact custom field. After adding your contact custom field, I will resume back to my flow. After name, I want to know few more detail of my customer. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question and connect with my previous question. Don't forget to connect your question with each other. After that, I will enter my message. Please send game tag, platform and class. With that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as detail and format as any. After getting each and every detail about my customer, I will send them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. Once registered, you will be get a confirmation plus your driving number. With this message, I will add two action button which says menu and talk to admin. I will connect menu option with our initial message. That means as soon as my customer click on menu option, they will again receive a initial message. With that, we are done with first action button. After that, I will go to my second action button, which is ranking. For that, I'm going to drag and drop and select the text button over here. Inside this, I will enter a message, detail about racing and their ranking. With this, I will add action button as well. For that, I will click on add button option and enter my message, menu and talk to admin. Similarly, I will connect menu button with our initial message. For our last action button, which is race schedule, I will give a separate message. I will drag and drop and click on text button. Here I will enter a message which says about upcoming league with their timing. As you can see, I have mentioned few message between stars, which means I want to highlight these message. Here also I'm going to give two action button, menu and talk to admin. For talk to admin, I will give separate message. Again, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, in which I will tell that our assistant will shortly contact them, and with that I have given phone number and email address. I'm going to connect this message with all talk to admin button like this. As you can see, I have entered all the desired detail that would be needed to run a chatbot for Sim Racing League. After that, don't forget to active your Flow and save it. As soon as you click on save, you get a message that Flow updated successfully. That means your Flow is ready to work in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.